Call recording is usually an add-on, a line on your invoice. On Allo, it's just on. Every call, every plan. Here's how to get the most out of it. First, notice what's missing. A setup step. There isn't one. The moment you're on a call, Allo records. That's the red dot, right in the call bar. And if a customer asks you not to record, one click turns it off, just for that call. Every call your team takes lands in the call's view. Who handled it, how long it took, how it ended. Missed connected voicemail. One click to filter. Open any call and everything is in one place. The recording ready to play, and a summary already written with what was said and what happens next. Need the exact words? Switch to the transcript. Every line tagged by speaker. And here's the good part. Click any line and the audio jumps straight to that moment. No more scrubbing through a whole recording to find one sentence. Now, the part your old phone system can't do. A customer mentioned something last week? Press Command K and type it. Allo searches inside every transcript and every summary and takes you straight to the right conversation. Reviewing a deal, coaching a new rep, settling a "that's not what I said." Your calls just became an archive you can actually search. It's been recording this whole time. Go take a look. And that's it. Now you know how to record, transcribe, and search every call with Allo.